Do I need landscape fabric with my new mulch? Hey everyone, I'm Jacob Godar and I'm the owner of Scooter's Lawn Care. My channel helps contractors deliver and clients experience a luxurious everyday life through property transformation. If you like the sound of that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell so you get notifications of every time we shoot one of these videos. So today, do you need landscape fabric under mulch? This is a controversy. A company I used to work for did this. We never have, other companies don't. And everyone always wants to know, do I need landscape fabric under my mulch? Is it gonna help prevent weeds? Am I gonna have more weeds because I don't have it? There's certain situations where you can justify it and there's certain ones you can't. So the quick answer is no, you do not need landscape fabric under your mulch. The only time we use it is if we go into an existing bed and it's something we're trying to turn around really quick and we're trying to hold down existing weeds, weed pressure that if we've scraped it off and we've cleaned it up, we don't want it to shoot back through. But so on a new installation where you're cutting off sod, you have no weed pressure. That mulch suppresses all that. It doesn't let the sunlight get down to it to germinate new weed seed. And the fact of the matter is weeds germinate in the mulch, typically the top ½ inch of the mulch. And that's where pre-emergence come in with mulch. So the answer is no, you do not. In certain circumstances, it may help, but 90% of the time, we do not use landscape fabric with mulch. Now, some of the reasons that, and one of these is gonna hit on something I'd already said, but some of the reasons that we don't use landscape fabric with mulch. The real reason, everybody calls it weed fabric, and that's how it's been sold, but the real reason for landscape fabric is soil separation. It keeps rock, when you use them in rock beds, it keeps rock from sinking into the dirt and all of your rock disappearing. It makes your rock last longer. So it's soil separation and has an added benefit in rock beds of preventing some weeds. So you still get weeds in rock beds, so it's kind of proof is in the pudding that it's not the weed answer. But with mulch, the same thing happens. It's soil separation. So that organic breakdown you get of mulch and mulch going into the soil and helping feed the soil, it keeps that from happening. So it doesn't do as well for the soil, and it makes mulch build up in beds much faster, which means in turn, in much less time, you'll have to remove mulch from your bed so you can still go and reapply new mulch. Second, mulch feeds the plant, and the way landscape fabric works, it slows down moisture, it slows down the feeding from the mulch, so it's not gonna allow your mulch to do everything it can possibly do for that plant, and that's a negative. So that's why we see plants really perform well when it's just bare mulch, it's up around it, it's helping feed, it's got organic breakdown, it's enriching the soil, and it just really slows that down. And third is the thing that I'd already mentioned, that weed seeds still germinate in mulch. If you have mulch, you have just upped the shade. So here's your soil level, and now you put mulch. Well, now sun can't get down and germinate anything down here, but above the mulch, sun can still hit that. So anything that lands in that first ½ inch of soil, first ½ inch of mulch, can germinate and cause weeds. So really the true thing is it's a little bit different of a tactic with mulch. Install mulch, get your beds in, and then from the top, use pre-emergent. This is another little helpful trick for any homeowners out there that are using pre-emergent. The other company I work for also said to put it under the mulch, and there again, you've defeated it, you've buried it. It needs to be on top, it needs to get watered into the mulch to create a barrier that is preventing anything in that area, that top ½ inch, from germinating. So that's it. You don't need landscape fabric with mulch. It's not necessary. If you're putting it in a brand new build where you're cutting off sod and you've got really clean beds, you're just spending money you don't need to spend and maybe slowing down some of the livelihood of your plants. Everyone, it's been great to talk to you about this. It's a topic that comes up all the time, and I hope this has helped you. Let me know if you've put mulch in your beds before and you've had any success with it, or if it's caused problems. Put that in the comments below. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I will talk to all of you soon.